Hello everyone, welcome to this complete Python tutorial series for absolute beginners. In this video, you will get a brief overview of all the contents in this course. Python is one of the most popular programming languages and super easy to learn with lots of job opportunities. Many companies are using it every day to build web applications, for automations, for artificial intelligence, machine learning and for data science projects. If you are looking for a job, then Python is definitely a best start for you. Now, if you don't have any coding experience before, don't worry. In this course, I am going to teach you everything you need to start your programming journey. Hi, my name is Chetna and I am going to be your coding instructor throughout this series of Python tutorials for absolute beginners. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's do coding. In this course, you are going to learn everything from scratch to learn Python. I have designed this course for anyone who is interested in learning Python. This course is definitely for you if you are a kid interested in learning coding, if you are a student or a self-learner, even if you are someone with no coding background or if you are someone from other programming language. In this course, you will learn all the core basic concepts about Python along with plenty of exercises to build your confidence to write Python programs. And then you are going to build some Python projects in which you will learn how to write Python codes. If you are new to Python, you can also check my last video that which programming language is best for beginners. Here you will get a link of my previous video. And before starting this course, if you are new and watching my video for the first time on this channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to receive all the important notifications on time. Let's go ahead and get started. A brief overview about all the contents in this course. The first chapter starts with Python introduction section in which you will get a brief overview about Python. After that, we will get started with Python setup section and also learn about the environment selection. Next, we will jump to the live code section. In chapter 2, we will learn about object and data structure basics, including numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, tuples, files, sets, and booleans. After each of these individual lectures, there will be a related quiz so that you can check your knowledge on each of these topics. After this, in chapter 3, we will start with comparison operators. You will learn about both basic operators and chained operators, including equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than equal. This section will also end up with a quiz to test your understanding. Then we will move on to next chapter, Python statements, including if statement, for loops, while loops, the range function, and the list comprehension. This section will also end up with a quiz. At the end of this section, there will be an assessment so that you can check your knowledge on each topic. In next chapter, we will learn about methods and functions in Python, what they are, how to create them. We will also learn about the lambda expressions, nested statements in Python. Here you will get an assignment to do on your own to test your understanding so far in the course. Then we will move on to next level and start with object-oriented programming. You will learn all about objects, classes, methods, inheritance, and special methods all in Python. We will also get a quiz related to object and classes. After that, in chapter 7, we will learn about errors and exception handling in Python, including what errors are, what exceptions are, and how to use try, except, and finally, to handle different errors and exceptions. In chapter 8, we will start with modules and packages, how to create these modules and how to install them from internet, and we will also explore the Python ecosystem. Then we will move on to chapter 9, built-in functions, such as map function, reduce function, filter, zip, enumerate, all and any, and how to deal with complex numbers. At the end of this section, we will get an assessment test where you can test your understanding for Python built-in function. In our last chapter, we will learn about Python decorators and Python generator, in which you will know all about Python generators, including iterations and generation, and how to create generate. Here ends the Python tutorial series for beginners. And at this time, you will also get a home assignment to test your coding skill. Here you will put all the things together you have learned so far in your final project. And it's time to go ahead and level up your knowledge. At the end of this, you can also start applying for Python internship jobs to get more practical exposure. And you are all set to go ahead and advance Python. So that was the entire course curriculum overview. If you are all set to learn coding, please subscribe to my channel for more Python tutorials. So let's go ahead and get started with this course with the first topic of Python introduction. In the next video, we will start with this course to start your coding journey. Thank you so much for watching this. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep practicing. See you in the next video of Let's Do Coding.